Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying scope and constraints, interior versus exterior, square footage, prep, and finish standards. Once done, set a realistic budget range and decide Form 1099 versus W-2 for contractors. Next, create 3 concise job listings tailored to typical projects and a contact sheet with phone, email, license, insurance fields. Reach out immediately. Send listings to local trade groups, post on contractor boards, and message 5 known leads. This gets the pipeline moving right away. You now focus on vetting. Verify license numbers, insurance limits, and bond status. Record expiration dates so nothing slips. Then request 3 client references, 5 portfolio photos showing similar work, and confirm 2-week availability windows. Once verified, schedule short interviews to probe estimates, materials, and crew size. To test performance, hire for a paid trial task or small sample job. This reveals punctuality, cleanup, and quality. Make sure to document results and compare quotes side by side before committing. You finalize hires with clear contracts. Define scope, milestones, payment schedule, warranty, and penalties for missed specs. Once signed, onboard crews with a site-specific safety checklist, chain of contact, and a first-day walkthrough so expectations align. During work, do milestone inspections and keep a punch list. Hold back 5 to 10% until final acceptance. If problems arise, poor finish. Delays, invoke remediation. Require rework within a set timeline, with funds released after satisfactory completion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.